When it comes to dropshipping, one of the most critical factors in choosing a supplier network is pricing transparency. In this video, we're diving into the question, SalesHoo versus AliExpress. Which supplier network has better pricing transparency? Let's start with SalesHoo. Known for its directory of vetted suppliers, SalesHoo claims to offer reliable and trustworthy suppliers, which can be a huge plus for those looking for quality over quantity. The platform allows users to search through a database of suppliers that have been verified for legitimacy, but one thing to note is that they don't always show the exact pricing up front. Instead, you're often directed to request a quote, which can slow down the process and make it harder to compare prices efficiently. So, while the transparency in terms of supplier legitimacy is strong, pricing isn't as clear-cut as some might expect. You're left waiting for a response, which can feel like a bit of a gamble for those eager to move quickly. Next thing, let's talk about AliExpress. AliExpress offers a massive selection of suppliers and is a go-to for many dropshippers. The pricing here is often more transparent because it's listed directly on the product pages, allowing you to compare prices and determine costs right away. However, the downside is that the platform is flooded with suppliers, and not all of them are reliable or of high quality. The ease of access to prices is nice, but the overwhelming amount of options can make it difficult to judge which suppliers are trustworthy, and that's where things get murky. Plus, many of the lower-cost suppliers on AliExpress may have hidden fees or poor shipping times that aren't immediately apparent, which can impact your profit margins. Now, looking at the quality of the pricing transparency overall, it's clear that both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses. SalesHoo excels when it comes to finding verified suppliers, but the lack of upfront pricing is a major disadvantage. Meanwhile, AliExpress offers visible prices, but leaves you sifting through countless suppliers, with mixed quality and hidden costs that can come up later. Both have pros and cons in terms of transparency, but here's where it gets interesting. The fourth thing to consider is the impact of price fluctuation. With SalesHoo, prices can vary because you're dealing with individual suppliers who might have different pricing models. On AliExpress, prices can fluctuate regularly too, especially with flash sales and promotions, so it's a bit of a wild card. Both networks give you access to wholesale prices, but neither is immune to sudden price changes that can throw off your profitability. Here's the thing, if you're looking for a solution that combines the best of both worlds, transparent pricing, reliable suppliers, and simplicity, there's actually a better alternative. After trying both of these networks, I've found that alternative software offers far better pricing transparency than either of these two, with real-time pricing data and an intuitive interface that makes it easier to compare suppliers and ensure profitability. SalesHoo and AliExpress are both decent options, but if you want a more streamlined, transparent approach to finding suppliers and managing your pricing, you should definitely consider checking out alternative software. The link in the description below gives you access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're ready to upgrade your supplier game and avoid the pricing headaches, take advantage of the offer in the description and get started with the best alternative today.